Hello everybody, LittleGrayBat here. Today we're going to be opening May. I actually do know the theme this month. I believe it's role models. I am really excited. I found out that there was a Deadpool item inside, so yay, I'm very excited about that. Sorry if I sound hoarse. I'm just getting over a major crappy cold. Ugh, knocked me on my butt. I am not sponsored by Loot Crate whatsoever. I buy this with my own money, and there's going to be a discount thing at the bottom of the video. I believe it works properly. Like a $5 discount, I believe, for a friend. So you just get that at the very, very bottom. And be very careful with opening a knife when you're opening your box. I always open my box, so here you go. Oh, and I did get to see Infinity War. That was wrong. That was very, very wrong. Very good story, but very, very wrong in so many ways. But still decent. Okay, as a writer's perspective, it was a very good movie. Alright, here we go. Back to opening the box. Ooh. Let's see. Oh, wait. Yay, we can actually see it on the other camera today. Oh, I gotta see what the t-shirt is. Oh, it's a Deadpool! I've got a new favorite Deadpool. I've got a new favorite Deadpool. I had to look at the shirt. It was the first thing I could see. Hold on. Let's get the camera to actually pick it up. Sorry, everyone. I love it! Ah, new favorite Deadpool t-shirt. I love tacos. I really love the design and the texture. Very, very well done. Alright, what's the banana? Why is there a banana? A banana wallet. What's with the banana wallet? Oh, the Big Lebowski. Okay, I seen the movie. Not the biggest of fans, but I don't mind it. Alright, there's a figurine. Alright, gotta grab the knife again. I close it each time. Let's see. Really? 1 minute. 1 minute, please. He doesn't want to be talked to. Really? Just 1 minute. No, 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 I want to talk to you. No, 1 minute. It's actually very well done. There's immense detail. Let's see if I can get it picked up. No, I can't on that camera. Let's see if I can do it on this one. Yep. Come on. Yep. Are you going to see it? Well, on the bottle, I can't see it. I need a magnifying glass, but it has details of what he drinks. I really need a pair of glasses because of this lighting. Tempted to grab a pair, but it has writing on the bottle. Really well done, actually. Nice. I like Archer. I'm not the biggest fan of Archer, but this is pretty cool. Pretty cool, considering the detail work they put into it. I like it. But I like the t-shirt more. I'm very happy with the t-shirt. And yes, I have Frodo with all my Poison Ivy figurines. That one's totally in the... Ooh! It's a Punisher decal. Ooh. You can't see... Wait, here. There you go. You can see it now. See if you can... You can't really even see... Oh, wait, there. If I do that, you can see it on the camera. Kind of. There you go. It's like one of those things you have to do just right so it looks dirty. Nice. I don't like that it's so sheer. Let's see. Is it clear? Is that what's going on here? Oh, it's like a... Okay, it is clear. See? See, it's clear. That's what the deal is. Maybe in the future they should put a darker background so you can see it a little bit more. But I like it. It's pretty... I'm a huge Punisher fan. So, yes, I am very excited about the TV series. Sadly, it's on Netflix, so I don't get to see it yet. It's a mini poster! Flashdance! I know this! I like this. That's really cool. I like the poster, guys. That's really cool. And that is it. Oh, Arrested Development banana stand wallet. Okay. Huh. Still, it feels like there's not a lot anymore in the smaller loot crate, but I did like it. I just truly wish they would, you know, put more into it. Well, I didn't mind the Archer thing. I just don't understand the Big Lebowski. But I do love the mini poster. That I really do like. Don't mind the Archer figurine, but I love the Punisher. Kind of wish that the Punisher was the wallet, to be honest. That's my personal opinion on it, because the decal you can find in other places, the Punisher, like this one. I've even found a fusion of Deadpool as the Punisher, and it's really cool looking. And the wallet, the wallet looks like it's pretty good quality. It's like what you... There's always money in the banana stand. That's a good one. That's a good one. It's very good quality. They built it very, very well. It's kind of what you find at like an amusement park. Like, you know, decent quality. That's why I kind of wish it was the Punisher, because I would have used this. And I have many, many wallets. And I have a funny wallet everyone laughs at me about because it has to go around my neck because of that one incident that my friends know what happened. Anyway, I enjoyed the t-shirt. Everything else isn't... Oh, I love the poster. Love the poster. The decal's pretty cool. I liked it. It just still feels like we're not getting nearly what we used to get. Like, I really loved April's Loot Crate. Loved it. But it was because I got a Lord of the Ring action figure. I'm a major Lord of the Rings fan. So... Yeah, I know. It's like there's always little bits and pieces everybody likes. There's always somebody doesn't like something in there. But it does feel like we're not getting nearly as much as we used to. It just doesn't feel like the normal loot crate's getting as much various of things anymore. So, at least it does to me. But I really like this crate. I love the t-shirt. I just wish they would have more things. But that's just my opinion. But... like I said, I love the decal of the Punisher. I just wish that was technically the wallet. The wallet's amazing quality. It was really good. If you're a huge fan of Arrested Development, it's a great wallet. It looks like something you could take to a water park and keep your money from getting wet. That's truly what it felt like, was something like that. Not like a leather wallet that you usually wear all the time. That's more for like the water parks. So if there was a water park thing, I think there was. I'm not 100% sure. Like I said, it's been years since I've seen the show. Or it's not the show I'm thinking of, so I'm not 100% sure. But the Archer action figure was very well made. It, you know, the detail in the bottle and the fact he's like, wait 1 minute while he's drinking, that's usually what Archer does. That's a pretty cool, you know, action figure. But, you know, like I said, but I really, really loved it. So, thank you for watching this box opening. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and ring that notification bell. We are going to be having more box openings in the future, and hopefully, I found out there was a cool box coming out. Hopefully, I'll be getting that. I'm hoping. So, hopefully, we'll be getting another box opening in the future. And I will be releasing more of the... Which DIYs am I releasing? Oh yeah, Virgil from Devil May Cry 3 tutorials on how to build that. That's still ongoing. It's going down to 1 video a month for the rest of the summer. Then we're going to be seeing the special character from The Walking Dead DIY. So I really hope you like this, and see the rest of my videos. If you have any question on this video or any of my other videos, just put a comment below. This little bat will get back to you as soon as possible. Bye!